Good morning, friends. Welcome to Rammer Math TV. Today, I'm going to discuss how to solve this sixth word problem in math. So this is the word problem. This is related to the ratio and proportion. The word problem states that a sum of money is divided among three men such that the actual amounts X, Y, and Z exist in the ratio 3, 6, and 8. If Y is 15 pesos more than X, calculate the actual amount of money each man has. So this is my solution. Please take note of these very important statements. So the first statement states that the ratio numbers 3, 6, 8 represent the lowest terms of the actual values. Notice that these ratio numbers are relatively prime. They do not have a common divisor. The second statement, the actual values are represented by the variables in the ratio x, y, and z. Take note that these ratio numbers have a common multiplier that when they are multiplied to that common multiplier, the result is the actual values x, y, and z. So x, y, and z, when they have also the common divisor, the resulting quotient is the ratio numbers 3, 6, and 8. So let us focus on these ratios. So take note that 3 corresponds to x, 6 corresponds to y, and 8 corresponds to z. According to the word problem, y is 15 pesos more than x. If if you observe the ratio numbers of x and y, we have 3 and 6. Notice that 3 and 6 have also a difference of 3. So 3 here, the ratio difference number 3 corresponds to the actual difference 15. So we can make use of this ratio to compute the actual values of x, y, and z. So let's start with, so this is our ratio. We can use this to solve the actual value of x. So let us multiply 15 by 3 and multiply x by 3. So we have this equation. Solving for x, we divide both sides by 3. The result is x equals to 15. Next, we use this ratio to compute the actual value of y. Okay, so let's have a proportion. Let us multiply y by 3 and multiply 15 by 6. So this is the equation. Solving for y, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. And the result is y equals to 6 times 5, that is 30. Y equals to 30. Okay, we can also make use of this ratio to solve the actual value of z. So let's have a proportion. Let us multiply z by 3 and multiply 15 by 8. So this is the equation. Solving for z, let us divide both sides of the equation by 3. So the result is z equals to 8 times 5, that is 40. Z equals to 40. All right. We can actually use the ratio to compute the actual difference between y and z. Okay, take note that the ratio numbers of y and z, 6 and 8, has also a difference of 2. That is a ratio difference number 2. So we can make use of the ratio 315 to compute the actual difference between y and z. So let us compute. So this the another proportion. Let us multiply the question mark by 3 and multiply 15 by 2. So we have this equation. Solving for the question mark, let us divide both sides of the equation by 3. And that gives us y, the question mark equals to 10. So we have the conclusion. A sum of money is divided among three men such that the actual amounts x, y, and z exist in the ratio 3, 6, and 8. If y has 15 pesos more than x, then x, y, and z have actual values of 15 pesos, 30 pesos, and 40 pesos respectively. So x is equal to the actual value 15 pesos, y is equal to the actual value 30 pesos, and z is equal to the actual value 40 pesos. So let's have the checking. So as what I have said earlier, the ratio numbers 3, 6, 8 have common multiplier. So if you multiply the ratio numbers by the common multiplier, the result is the actual values 15, 30, and 40. Notice also that the ratio difference numbers 3 and 2, if multiplied by the same common multiplier, the result is the actual differences 15 and 10. So the values that we have obtained so far are correct. Nothing is wrong. So thank you for listening, friends. I hope you have enjoyed listening to my discussion. If some of you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. May God bless you. Goodbye.